Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to delete your TikTok Ads Manager account. Alright, let's begin. First, open any preferred browser on your PC and go to the official TikTok Ads Manager website. Next, look for the Get Started button on the home page. Click on it, and you will need to sign into your account using your credentials. Once you are signed in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Now get to the top navigation menu and hover your cursor over the Tools menu. This will reveal several options related to your account. Inside this menu, access the Account Setup option under the Settings header. This section contains important settings for managing your account. After that, look for the More Actions button. Click on it to reveal additional options. Here you will find the Close Account feature. Click on this option and a confirmation prompt will appear. Make sure to read any information provided, as closing your account will delete all your data associated with it. Finally, click on the Confirm button to complete the process of deleting your account. It's important to note that this action is permanent, so make sure you really want to proceed. So that's basically how you can delete your TikTok Ads Manager account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.